Hello, and thank you for joining the Mountain Home Area Chamber of Commerce. We are celebrating a ribbon cutting with Ozark Print Market, and with me, I have Susie Wilson. She is the owner. Hi, Susie.
Hi, Stephanie.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Are you excited about today?
I am. This is awesome.
Okay, well, good.
I love being here.
So tell us a little bit about your business.
Well, Ozark Print Market is here in Mountain Home, of course, and we do printing of all kinds, anything you want to put your name on, business cards, rack cards, brochures, plaques, everything that you want to put your name on, we can do it. Okay. And we have wonderful people, Danielle, Tracy, Amanda, and Steve. We're all here as a team. Okay. And we just get it all done, and we love doing it.
Well, good. So tell us, where are you located?
We're on Highway 62 East, right next to Wendy's. So that's a marker. And we're open 8 to 4, Monday through Friday.
Okay, perfect. Any other services you want to talk about?
Well, we do 3D printing, and we do, what else, y'all? Engraving. We engrave plaques, Yeti cups. And you bring your Yeti cup here, we can engrave your name on it. So just anything you want to put your name on, we can pretty much do. Posters, cat prints.
All right. Well, that sounds good. So, as always, a big thank you to our ambassadors.
Thank you.
The Mountain Home Chamber Board and all of your employees, family, and friends that made this event successful today.
Thank you.
Are you ready? You ready to cut the ribbon?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's do it. Yay!